This app allows me to play in equally tempered, Pythagorean, and just intonation. I'm going to play a few different intervals. Some of them will sound very different in each tuning system, and some of them not so much.